Hello, Anna. Thanks for meeting with me today.
Hello, Peter. No problem at all. I'm happy to help.
I've been having a real headache with our stores. The freezers are way too cold, and it's driving our energy bills through the roof. Do you think EMD Retail can help us out?
A lot of retailers run into the same issue. Often, it's because the compressors of the freezers run non-stop. As you can see in the graph, this compressor runs constantly, consuming more electricity. Our system can detect this and send an alert. On the other hand, a compressor that starts and stops regularly looks like the graph I'm showing you now. This is what you should expect.
Yes, that makes perfect sense.
If you adjust your freezer temperatures by setting the maximum to minus 16 degrees Celsius and the minimum to minus 20 degrees Celsius, you'll see a significant improvement. You will achieve the target temperature of minus 18 degrees. In case of deviations, you'll get a notification.
I understand that, but using the controllers to adjust the temperature of freezers is a nightmare. Each one is different.
You're not alone. That's why we, at EMD Retail, have made short instructional videos based on manufacturer manuals, clearly guiding you through the process of adjusting temperature settings. We place QR codes right next to your temperature controllers. All your team has to do is simply scan the code with a smartphone or tablet. An online interface appears on the screen where your employees can choose the video about the controller in question. The videos last 1 to 2 minutes.
That looks really straightforward. This can make things so much easier. Thank you for the info, Anna. I will discuss it with my team and get back to you soon.
Glad to help, Peter. Feel free to call anytime.